Hello, young innovators. Welcome back to AI and Robotics Club. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on completing Mission 3. Last week, you built your very first AI app. You learned that by giving clear instructions, artificial intelligence can turn your ideas into real app. That was really an amazing achievement. Today we are going to do something even more exciting. Today we are going to create our very first AI game. And once again, you won't have to write a single line of code. Instead, we will work like modern AI creators. AI builders use different tools. Before we start, I want you to understand something very important. There is not just one AI tool. Professional creators use different AI tools for different jobs. Think about a carpenter. A carpenter does not use only one tool. Sometimes they use hammer, sometimes they use saw, sometimes they use a drill. AI creators do the same things. Today we will use three different tools. One is ChatGPT that helps us think, plan, and write a great prompt. Then we are going to use a different platform for creating our app. Last time we used Lovable. This time we are going to use Base 44. It helps us build our game. And the most important tool, that is you. You are the inventor who makes all the important decisions. Remember one thing important. AI does not replace your imagination, it helps you bring your imagination to life. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT, before we build anything, we need a good plan. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us. Today we are going to use a simple game called Captain Greenatron Clean Planet Challenge. And this time I am going to speak to it. Please create Captain Greenatron Clean Planet Challenge game. Our game should be fun and easy for children to play. And exactly what we want. We want this game for the kids from ages 10 to 14. The player can play this game on its keyboard using the arrow keys or different keys as you suggest. And there should be a catching game. There should be something dropping from the sky and Captain Greenatron should be catching it. If it catches certain amount of these things falling from the sky, and if it can catch all those things, it will win. And if it drops a certain amount of those things, it will lose. I would like red color to be used in it, and my Captain Greenaton is green color. And we want some sounds as well, some beautiful sounds for the kids. Then I am going to just click on this tick. I am just going to wait for a while. Whatever I have spoken to ChatGPT, it has transcribed it. I mean, it has written it for me. I don't have to write all these things, so you can see all this thing is written here, whatever I have spoken, and even it has written here. Then I'm going to just click on this tick. I'm going to delete this one because I don't want this. And you can see, please create Captain Greenatron Clean Planet Challenge game. Our game should be fun and easy for children to play, and exactly what we want. We want whatever I have spoken to it, it has written it for me. Now I am going to tell it. Now I am going to make this game in base 44, right? Please give me a prompt. Please write me a good prompt. Let's see what it can do for us. I'm just going to click on enter, and it is going to create me the prompt, the whole prompt for making this game. You can see everything is here. Okay, here we have. Okay, it has written it in all the uh, sound effects, music, graphic styles, colors. It has written me everything I need to put in my game development app platforms. You can see it is very detailed. Okay, now let's go. I'm just going to copy it. There is a copy button on the top. Nope. So I have to write here. Just select everything. Okay, and I am going to copy all this one. I am just going to copy this one. Now I am going to open a new tab, and I am going to find base 44, and you can see this one, the orange with the orange logo, that is base 44. I am just going to click on it, and it is going to ask me, when I am going to click on start building, we will need to sign in first. I am going to sign up with my Google account. I can use any of my accounts. It is as simple as that. Signing up is not a big problem if you have your Gmail account. I am just going to paste it here and just enter. I don't need to do anything else here. And you can see it is writing the game for me, and it is showing me all the commands lines here. It's going to take a little while. So you see, dear students, last time we used an app that was lovable. Today we are using base 44. There are many platforms on which you can create your games, your apps, websites, and many things using your ChatGPT prompts, and you can create everything here you need for your robotic projects, for your AI projects, even for your school projects. You can make everything using these platforms. We are going to use different platforms, so you get used to all of those platforms and you can compare them. It is also showing you what has been written and what it is writing. Just a few minutes ago, this game existed only in your imagination. Now it's becoming real. This is one of the most exciting things about artificial intelligence. Well, congratulations! Your Captain Greenatron game has been created. You can test it, let's play it, and you can see it is playing here. You can use your buttons, your arrow buttons to move it, and you can see I'm not very good at playing, not like just you kids. And you can see this game was created by you just in few minutes, right? Now what we can do it, we can just, there is an edit button in the top. I'm just going back to the home. You can test all of those things. Okay, I'm in edit mode. Maybe I want to write here something. Edit element. If I want to change here home, or if I want to do something, I can change it. I'm just going to click outside, go in the preview here. Here we have. If I want to edit something, let's say I want to edit this Captain Greenator. I want to change the color. Maybe I want it the color be, let's say, black, and you see the color of my Captain Greenatron has been changed. If I want to change something else as well, let's say I want to write it in capitals. So Captain has been written in capital, and I can write here Tron. Okay, so you see I can change things here. So this is an edit button that we did not have in Lovable. I can use this one, and after creating my game I can just publish it. I am just going to publish my app. Just I'm going to click on it. It's going to take a minute. And my app has been published. If I can copy this one and I can send it to any of my friends here, and now my friends can use this game, open this game and play this game. So I'm going to share this game with you as well. You are going to look at this game and play it, and you can tell me what more things we can do in it, what changes we can do in it, and in our next lesson we are going to change this and we are going to make some changes in it. Now it's your turn. Your mission is to create your own game. Use this platform base 44 and you can make any game, protecting nature, exploring space, racing game, helping animals, playing any sports, football, cricket, whatever you like, or any fun idea you can imagine. First ask ChatGPT to write a detailed prompt. Then use base 44 to build your game. Finally improve it. Make any changes you want to do in it and improve it at least one time. Okay? Then you submit your project. You can publish it and share your link with me and your friends as well. Next time you have to submit your ChatGPT conversation, your game prompt, and your base 44 game link and the screenshot of your game. The best games will have the best game will be featured in our Hall of Fame and earn innovation points. Today you became more than a student. You became an AI game creator. You learned that creating game is not about knowing complicated code. It's about having a great idea, asking good questions, and improving your works step by step. Remember our AI creator formula: think, ask AI, create, improve, then share. Every app, every game, every invention starts with one simple idea. Keep, keep creating, keep learning, keep improving. And I will see you in Mission 5. Until then, see you next week. Bye bye now. Take care.